Let me talk you through on how I washed my clothes on this LG washing machine. This is 8 kg wash, 5 kg dry. I want to wash this clothes and dry it automatically inside this washing machine. Yes, now I'm loading the clothes. I'm loading it into the washing machine. You can see the clothes is not too much. It's just moderate. After that, I close the washing machine. Now, next thing is to pour in my liquid wash. I'm using a liquid wash to wash these clothes. I prefer using it to the other kind of detergent, the powder detergent, because the powder detergent is, I noticed that it peels the inner section of this machine where we put the soap. Now after that, I press the power button, then turn the knob to wash and dry, hit the start button. Now the washing machine has started. Now it's making one kind of noise, showing you that water is already entering into the right places into the washing machine. And at this point, it is processing to tell me the number of hours it's going to wash these clothes. Also take note that at this point, if you had forgotten to put any clothes in this machine, or you just remember to add clothes to it, you have to press pause before you open, because the washing machine is now locked and you can't force it open. You have to press pause before it will unlock, then you open. Now it took like 2 minutes for the machine to process the hours it's gonna wash these clothes. For some clothes the cycle is shorter, but for some is longer. So depending on the kind of clothes you are washing, quantity of clothes, the cycle of this wash and dry might be longer or shorter. So allow it to process so that you know whether it's something you can go for or just do wash and spin. But here I have decided that I must do wash and dry. Boom. 5 hours 42 minutes. Wow, such a long time to wash. So I'm not going to show you when this clothes is washing, but I will show you immediately after it's done washing. Yeah, now it is done washing. Cooling down, that is CD, means cooling down, because the entire process of washing and drying this clothes is a heating process. So the entire machine is hot, the inside of the machine is hot, the clothes is hot. Now at this point, if I allow this machine to cool down, leaving it for the number of time or the number of minutes it's supposed to cool down, I will end up with a very rumpled clothes. Very rumpled clothes. So whenever the machine just beep and sing an alarm song telling me that it's done washing, I quickly come and pick it out from the machine, because if I allow it to cool down, it will be very rumpled, more than what you are seeing here. Now I took out the clothes from the washing machine, and this is it. The clothes is neatly washed, but very rumpled. If you had left this washing machine to cool down more, the rumpling would have been worse. This cloth is perfectly dry. Now, if you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.